Good morning, I'm Bowden Fisher. I'm a Water Quality Associate with the Ohio State University Extension. I'm here with Nick Eckel. We're here in Hancock County at the Blanchard River Demonstration Farm. Looking at emerging technology in drainage water management. This is a remotely controlled drainage control structure. And I'm going to let Nick tell you a little bit about this structure and some of the benefits we're seeing.
It also is controlled by an app on your phone that is cellularly remoting to the system to move the boards up and down mechanically that way. The biggest benefit for a system like this is if you have an outlet or a main that is in the back of a farm, say a quarter of a mile or a half mile back. You don't have to drive back there every time if you have a standing crop or anything like that. To get back to the farm, you can do it via your phone, sitting in your office, or in your truck on the edge of the field while you're thinking about it. Another great benefit to this system like this is you can also ensure that your water level is where you want it to be, a little bit lesser increments maybe if you really want to fine tune where you want that water table to be. But as we get into the benefits of a drainage control structure like this, these systems have shown they do a really good job of holding nitrates back into your field and do not leach out into the watershed. So as we raise that water table up, and if you combat that with cover crop or any type of growing crop, root structure can get down in and take advantage of those nitrates.
And as Nick mentioned, being remotely controlled, one thing with that, it allows much more adaptive and dynamic management of the system, and when it comes down to it, it's within 10 minutes that the system responds. It receives a signal every 10 minutes, so fairly quick response time on your management. When talking about drainage control structures in drainage water management, there are several things to consider. There is the traditional option of a manually controlled structure. The other option is automated or remotely controlled drainage structures, such as the one that you're going to see in the video today from AgriDrain's smart drainage system. These systems have both the boards that can set the height of your water table, and they also have a sensor in the bottom of the structure that senses the water level. You can set your own parameters on what water level you want to maintain within that system based on a function within your online data platform. And you can set that desired water level, and there is a sensor within that drainage control structure that will relate back to what the water level is currently. But you can also switch it to the manual setting and open and close the gate on demand. And then, of course, you also have the option to adjust your boards higher or lower to raise and lower your water table. So it allows a little bit more precision. When it senses a water level that's higher than what is desired, it will open a gate, which is at the very bottom of where your boards are stacked. So your boards, instead of only allowing water to flow over top of the board, you also have the gate, which is moved up and down by an actuator that allows water to flow through the bottom of the system.